Welcome to Reason Porsche. We currently have a 981 Boxster in the workshop at the moment for a water ingress to the passenger side in the car. We look inside. Although it's all been dried out, inside here full of at least 2 gallons of water underneath the carpet and the passenger's seat. Where the water had been sat, these control units were found submerged in the water. As you can see, quite heavy damage, water damage to this control unit and this one here. This control unit controls the immobilizer system, rear end, convertible roof, alarm system, etc. And this control unit does your parking sensors, park assist system. Also, the wiring to these control units is corroded. The terminal pins are all damaged, water damaged. Some of the wires are all broken. This is going to require a substantial wiring repair, maybe even a complete wiring loom. This problem is all caused by the drains, the convertible roof drains. If these drains aren't checked regularly, they can block up with silt. As we've removed this whole side section of the car, these are your drains here. And this is the type of silt that we have removed and blockage which blocks these drains up. The water then backs up, rainwater backs up, and it's got nowhere to go apart from inside the car. So we recommend that these are checked regularly, these drains are checked and cleared regularly. Otherwise you could end up with a car like this.